4-cheese flatbread. So I've got fontina and mozzarella. I grated it myself, so it's really sticky. And then mascarpone or mascarpone and Parmesan. And then a little bit of Italian seasoning just to give it a little interest. And then I'm gonna smush the cheeses together just until that mascarpone has kind of turned the rest of the cheeses into a spread. Nothing rattles me, not even a broken spatula. All right, perfect. Okay, so I've got 2 non-flatbreads. So these are store-bought, and I love using them for pizza. So I'm gonna use as sort of a pizza sauce for the flatbread, just store-bought pesto, came out of a jar, super exciting. And spread it on the other. I love pesto and 4 cheese is just like the most winning combination. All right, and then I'll sprinkle on the cheese mixture. It's very generous, and you want to see kind of those clumps of the mascarpone. Oh, how good this is. This is a lot of cheese. I didn't say this was going to be a dietary date night. I never said that, ever. Sprinkle with a little bit of pepper, and then let's go put these in the oven, Alex, okay?
Sounds like a plan.
I've got the oven, believe it or not, on 450 degrees. That is hot. These are only gonna take about 8 minutes. So, okay, it's time to pull this dinner for 2 together. This date night dinner for 2, or dinner for 2 date night, or whatever you wanna call it.
Wow.
Look at this flatbread.
Those got cheesy.
Oh my word, I tell you what. So these flatbreads are exactly what I planned for them to be. Just basically cheese with a little bread on the side. Okie doke. Flatbreads.